How to delete Gmail account on laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, in your laptop, open up Gmail and here make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land in your inbox page, navigate to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, from this drop down menu, click on manage your Google account. Now from here, head over to your left hand side. From this menu bar, click on data and privacy. Now you have to scroll all the way down until you find a section that says more option. So under this more option, there is an option as delete your Google account. Click on that. Now it will ask you to enter your password. So first of all, you have to verify yourself by providing the password. So type in your password, then click next. And once you verified, you will land on this interface. There you can download your data before deleting your account. If you want to do that, click on this, then download your data. If not, you have to make sure that you read all of this article carefully. And once you go through all of this, scroll down, and there you will have two agreements. So first of all, read both of these, and once you're done, click on this checkbox. And once you're sure to delete your account, click on delete account. And with that, your account has been deleted. If you would like to recover in a short amount of time, you can simply click on recover your account. So that's how you can delete your Gmail account on laptop. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.